Most of the time, you don't know they're there. But they are there. They're right behind you. They're right beside you. They stick close no matter where you go. If they can, they'll try and steal your treasures or destroy what's important to you. They whisper scary scenarios to you. And they can change shape whenever they want. You think you've gotten rid of them, but the truth is you just have a new one hanging around. You can play tug-of-war with them, but you won't win. Don't be fooled. They may appear harmless, but they usually aren't.